Okay, everyone, welcome back. We are talking about market analysis this week, and we do this every week on this channel. And don't forget to follow us on our Telegram channel and also follow this YouTube channel for more updates about the forex market. Remember, one thing about this is that I talked about my position, and also I talked about the possibility of how or what we are going to be seeing in the market on the days ahead. I know that this is a festival period. We need to be careful on our position, and that is one reason you need to be updated on a daily or weekly basis. We are starting off our chart as usual. We are talking about the DXY. This is the dollar index, and if you want to know a lot about the market, you need to be looking this because these have a lot of hidden secrets on it. Move on, there are some links below this video on the description. Please make sure to check out, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I will love to reply you. First of all, we are in a very strong downtrend. Like I said, I point out this low and price have reached it already. You can see price took the low out, and we need to be mentioning the next low, which is around this level. Notice that the dollar has been very bullish previously before we are seeing this strong level of retracement where the market respect consistent drop on it, and we are having the consistent break of structure. So moving into, here's a quick zoom into the area. First of all, this is a daily order block, and this is very bearish for price, and this is like a very strong support. Now if we look into the market, we have this gap here, and this gap stands as a support and resistance. We are not teaching here, so I should move on. First, that I want to see price respect this level here, this level. I want to see price respect it. You can see the gap there. This is a 4-hour time frame, and we also add a liquidity grab on this previous high, and remember this is a premium zone. Now this new week will likely be a little bullish for the dollar and later become bearish for it, because hopefully we are going to see price close below the and reach into the support level. Why we are seeing all of this, we should know that many investors are also catching into the dollar, because this type of time is not a good time to invest because the new year open is still ahead in some days. To compare reason of our previous analysis, I have talked about a lot of zone we should watch and how the market respect those zones, and we have seen significant result, and that is something we should also look at when we are talking. So if you want to look at those previous analysis, the videos are below in this channel. You can also check them out. We had this order block where price reached out to the order block, and you see how price dumped from the order block into this level, and this is like a low. So we had a break of structure again because we have this uptrend into the zone and a rejection. So mostly we are going to see price trade into this area as always, and when price start to reject from that area, that is when we know what to do. And remember, this is not a financial advice, these are just my ideas that I'm talking about in my channel. We have this value gap. This is between Friday and Thursday open gap, and also we have this level of fair value gap here, and this fair value gap is valid because the fair value gap is inside the premium zone. That is what makes its value. We are more likely to see price drop from this area here. Like you can see what I predicted here. This is the drawing of my prediction that price will likely drop from this area into this zone. Now I'm looking for price to reach into this support zone first, and if we move to the 4-hour again, this is the overall target where smart money will likely reach out for. If we push into the next level where we are talking about trade, we are talking about the Euro USD, and you know this is the most tradable pair. This should be bullish whenever the dollar is bearish. If I remove some of these drawings that I have added before, we had some significant drop towards the Friday where market was very volatile, and a lot of traders did not get why the market was dumping. Now the market was dumping because price was in the premium zone and smart money want to acquire more of the euro. That is why you're seeing the price dump. Now price did not dump up to the level I expected, because I expect price to take at this low and give us some bullish entry here. But we had something like a double bottom here now. This is a double bottom. You can see the related equal low, and this will likely send price here again, because a lot of money are here, those who bought and have stops below this level. That means smart money will likely reach for them. That is one thing you need to understand about the market. The market will always target where the money is. So my low for now will remain this low here. This will remain my low until any move or any threat to it. That is when I want to find a new low, or check if the market have flipped to bearish. But for now, I don't think that is possible. Now we are looking at the Euro USD and seeing price dumped little by little. But remember, this is Monday and you need to be careful on Monday. Now in this zone, we have just two entry. One is below this liquidity zone, and the other is just at the daily order block. So those are our two entry. If price rejects within this zone, we should also remember that this is the 70 and 79 retracement level, which are very, very powerful. One thing we should always look in this retracement is that retracement are very good for trend, because this is still an uptrend. Price have reached to many highs here. If you look at this high, price have reached. Now I'm targeting this high because this is a very old high, and this is a high that was created by an order block. That means there are money around this area, and smart money will likely reach for it. I've had like 2-3 days of retracement, maybe plus this new week we are going to see like 4 days of retracement before price will start to go up again. And if price definitely start to go up, it will be very bullish for price.